Hi, I'm Rebecca and I'm the head of marketing at Warpp Engineers. Welcome to Marhaba Gulf. One of our products that we have showcased here at SteelFAB is our Shape Cut Easy CNC series, which is a flame and plasma cutting machine, ideal for high precision metal cutting. Some of the application industries are infrastructure, shipbuilding, automotive, and even marine. We are a company that was founded in 1994. And some of our core values are transparency, responsibility, innovation, integrity, and empowerment. We stand strongly to our core values. Our biggest strengths, if I have to say, are the quality of our machines, the trust that our customers have in us, and last but not the least, our people who work with us, for us, are our greatest strength. And we hold great confidence in them.